Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up almost 8% right now. That's a quite impressive movement and Tesla is behaving exactly as we wanted in our last analysis yesterday. So I'm gonna give you guys more details about that. Just remember my friends, click on the like button to support this channel, to support me, to spread the joy. And if you're new around here, consider subscribing because I'm here every single day to update you guys on Tesla and on other tech stocks. I'm sure you're going to find this content very useful to you. Now, back to Tesla, it is important to stress why it is going up right now. We clearly see a double bottom chart pattern over here. We found a support level around this green line, $633 down here. We found a support level over here once, twice, and then we started the bullish movement. It is curious to see how the 21 EMA worked as a support level for us yesterday, right? As we can see over here, it was supporting the price for a while, and until the end of the day, it was working nicely. And then today, we did this impressive candlestick pattern. Oh, in addition to yesterday's movement, we filled this gap over here, making this gap an exhaustion gap. And as the name suggests, an exhaustion gap indicates exhaustion of the bearish movement over here, okay? So today, we triggered this double bottom chart pattern by doing this impressive candlestick pattern over here, right? In one single candlestick, we broke the $680, which was the single most important point in Tesla, as I told you guys yesterday. Why? Because it was a support level, a resistance level 3 days ago over here, and it was a support level twice in May 12th. So this point clearly was the game changer of the polarity on the price on Tesla, and it is interesting to notice how the principle of polarity works amazingly well. At the moment we broke this line, okay, probably many of the short sellers who shorted over here, they're starting to get stopped out. We see crystal clear bullish structure, which is another point that favor a bullish position in Tesla right now. So we are going up nicely, okay? We see that kind of movement is squeezing the bears, some euphoria of the bulls, so it is a quite interesting movement. Another thing is that this purple trend line, which worked as a resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, didn't work as a resistance for us again. We broke this line, so this line is not valid anymore. I'm gonna delete this purple trend line, and what we can expect from now on. This situation is quite simple. Now Tesla is in a bullish bias. Any pullback to the 21 EMA or to the previous support level, namely $680, would be just a normal correction, a normal pullback, probably just an opportunity to buy. Okay, so pullbacks would be opportunities to buy from now on. What's more, it's going to seek the next resistances. Right now we are quite close to this resistance, so maybe we are gonna find a top level over here, right? Maybe Tesla is going to correct tomorrow, in the next few days, maybe, right? This is a true possibility. As long as we don't lose $680 along with the 21 EMA, the bias will remain bullish, okay? There is no reason to panic. There is no reason to believe Tesla will reverse and become bearish again. It will just seek the next resistances, okay? The first resistance is this one. In my humble opinion, we're gonna fill the gap at 858, meaning we still have from here 20% upside potential, all right? So that's how I see Tesla. I firmly believe this gap is going to be filled. Tesla always fills the gaps that appear above the price. So yeah, that's our technical target right now. What's interesting is that we are breaking this double bottom chart pattern and leaving the 21 EMA behind in a way that we only see this going on here on May 4, okay? Here the situation was quite good as well. Of course, we dropped sharply, but I don't believe we're gonna repeat what happened on May 4 for some reasons. For instance, right now, we just triggered a double bottom chart pattern, a bullish reversal chart pattern. In addition to that, on May 4, we were just at the 21 EMA in the daily chart, which was pointing down, and we were just at the beginning of this bearish structure, okay? So it was not a good place for Tesla to start a bullish movement, all right? So it feels like the EMA worked as a resistance, so okay, we dropped sharply. This bullish structure in the 1 hour chart was completely frustrated, and right now is different because we are far from the 21 EMA. I do believe that at least in the short term, we are going to retest the EMA in the daily chart. What's more, like that wasn't enough, we just hit yesterday. Yesterday, we triggered a bullish candlestick pattern, call it bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, okay? Can you see? The bullish candlestick was clearly engulfing the previous bearish one. And we saw this bullish structure just above this red line at $650, which was a support level on August 2021. It was clearly a false breakout, right? This black candlestick over here closed under the support level, but in sequence, we saw an engulfing closing above again the red line. So it was clearly a false breakout and a possible bear trap. This is why we see this candle today. It feels like we see some squeeze going on over here. So at least we're going to retest the 21 EMA in the short term. What's more, in the weekly chart, we are doing a candlestick pattern called Harami candlestick pattern. Another bullish reversal candlestick pattern. Statistically speaking, it is not a powerful pattern, okay? I agree with you, but since we just hit a support level over here, the odds of a true reversal increases. What's more, unlike on May 4, on the week of May 4 over here, which we were quite close to the EMA in the weekly chart as well, not only in the daily chart as we can see over here, but in the weekly chart as well. Right now, again, we are very far from the 21 EMA in the weekly chart, okay? The EMA in the weekly chart is at $874. Another reason why I believe Tesla is truly reversing, it is becoming bullish right now in all time frames, in the 1 hour chart, in the daily chart, in the weekly chart. We see this confluence of good patterns going on in multiple time frames. So yes, right now I think we can safely assume that Tesla is reversing. We can build a very nice bullish thesis on Tesla. If you are a short mid-term trader, I believe that, okay, right now we could wait for a pullback, we could wait for Tesla to retest its EMA or even the previous support level at $680. That's plausible. But aside from that, Tesla is supposed to be bullish in all time frames, okay? Even considering a possible pullback in the very, very short term on Tesla, okay? So yes, my friends, now the bias is clearly bullish. I will keep you guys updated every single day on this. I will promptly warn you guys if the situation reverses, if the situation becomes a little bit more weird again. From now, all I can say is that as long as we stay above this black line, 680, and the 21 EMA, the situation will be under control, will remain bullish. Alright, so see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Farewell.